Well, I think there's some things that we're doing that our kids are going to do. They're making it really hard. Like, and it starts with people on these lines. Yeah, so we're giving tosses we would never give to beginners. So, we're talking about rhythm tosses to 5 feet, and we're tossing really high to like 12 feet, which is an elite play. Right, so there's just no chance of success. Right, so let's be better about our tosses here. If I'm giving someone a tough skill here, it's kind of like hitting. What's the thing that makes hitting hard? Timing, and then the read makes setting hard, which we're going to get to in a little bit. But if she's never back set, I'm like, hey, go back set, right? So it's not going to happen. So let's try to take the timing out of it, and let's just give her this kind of a toss so she can just pivot and back set, right? Yeah, obviously, probably your kids might not be able to do that, so you might have to do it when you're introducing the skill. So that's just a big coaching key. Teaching a tough concept, make sure you're taking what makes it hard out of it for a second, so you learn that cognitive phase, and they can learn the maneuver. What are we feeling?
I'm more worried about the face than the square. Like, I have to get the square first, face second. If I just want face, that's what who knows where I'm contact.
Yeah, I don't think you need to worry about the square, because you're going to end up, at some point you're going to be square, because you're facing that target. But what you're talking about, that's going to happen a lot.
Grabbing it too soon.
So in this is going to happen a lot, so they're going to go across their body. So that's a sign of rotating late. Right, so that's kind of like slowing down the ball. And if I'm in this position when I'm setting, then I have to go across my body. So that's a big reason we're pivoting, is to run and rotate. We should be right around here by the time we're contacting the ball. Right? Then I can face it. So rotate faster, get more out of your rotation. What else are we doing? It's another big thing. Yeah, frustration. So we're in that associative phase. I can't do it all the time yet. So frustration is going to happen. That's part of the deal. So we're going to teach our kids out of that too, for sure.
I think
Through that.
as we practice on what we're working on now, I know me personally, this goes away.
Yeah, there it is.
Right?
Yeah, there it is.
So I've lost the first.
Yeah.
Because I'm so focused on the first.
Exactly. So every skill is going to work like that, right? So what's happening, we're learning a new skill, and there's a lot of variance to it. So you're seeing hands go in different spots every time. So we might throw some general reminders in there, but we're not too worried about it. We expect that to happen. Once the pivot gets more comfortable, then we can start going back to the finish. Right? So if someone's going to finish, you want to remind, hey, remember, you're finishing there, not over there. But right now, I'd be okay with it because you're learning this new skill, and I can't ask you to think about two things at once. But you're absolutely right. That's exactly what's happening right now. So once we get a little comfortable with it, maybe like in 5-10 minutes, if we were doing this like a normal practice, then we say, hey, okay, remember you're finished. Where do you want the ball to go? That's dead on. So let's give us a few more reps with better tosses. All right, here we go. Let's go.